Mazda vehicles combine reliability with top-notch performance and sleek design. Although the brand has consistently ranked among Kelley Blue Book's best vehicles since 2010, they definitely aren't perfect. Let's go over the most common complaints by model. First up, the Mazda 3. If driving a quiet car is important to you, this isn't the model you want. Owners have complained about rattling or clunking noises caused by loose, bent, or rusted sway bar links. Mazda 3s are also known to vibrate excessively during acceleration due to a bad motor mount. The brakes have been a consistent sore spot too. Whether it's squealing noises or premature wear on components, many drivers of Mazda 3s have had to replace brake components before hitting the 100,000-mile mark. CX-5 drivers have battled problems less loud but more serious, including engine and powertrain issues. From inadequate battery voltage to fluctuating oil levels to difficulty accelerating, the CX-5 has caused its owners a variety of headaches. Transmission issues and issues deactivating cruise control have caused problems too, as have less serious nuisances like a defunct fuel gauge or an inconsistent warning light. When it comes to the Mazda 6, the most commonly reported problem is with the exterior lighting system. Owners have reported their headlights dimming unexpectedly, leading to difficulties seeing at night. Be prepared for some engine malfunctions too, including abnormal ticking sounds, overheating, stalling, and rough idling. If you're considering the Mazda Tribute, know that it has many of the same problems as its cousins. Engine-related issues include engine misfires and stalling after a cold start. Plus, drivers have reported EGR differential pressure sensor failure, faulty blower motors, and damaged PCM wiring. Fortunately for Mazda CX-9 drivers, most problems don't start until between 90 and 100,000 miles. Unfortunately, these issues are usually costly. Water pump failure is the most common and most expensive reported problem. A failed water pump requires replacing the whole engine, resulting in a $4,000 bill. Brake power boost unit failure may occur as well and should be checked out ASAP to avoid accidents. Though some of Mazda's older models come with what seems like a laundry list of problems, this isn't always true, especially with their newer models. In fact, out of 32 car makers, RepairPal ranks Mazda 5th in terms of reliability. What's even better, the average annual repair cost for Mazda is $462, which comes in lower than the industry average of $652. For more info about Mazda, plus useful tips for saving big on your car insurance, go to getjerry.com.